How to get 3D Bitmoji on Snapchat. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the 3D Bitmoji on your Snapchat. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, update your Snapchat app if it's not updated. Then open the app. Tap on your profile in the top left corner. Once you're on your profile, press here, hold and pull down. For most people, the 3D Bitmoji will be automatically activated if you have the latest version of the Snapchat app. But if you see something like this, it means your Bitmoji is not activated. Tap on Create My Avatar to make a 3D Bitmoji. Select an option. If you want, you can select any of the suggested Bitmojis or tap on Skip to create a new one. If you tap on Skip, the screen will appear. Create your Bitmoji and tap on Save. Press here, hold and pull down. Then this section will appear. You can change your Bitmoji's outfit, share outfit, change pose and background, change selfie and edit avatar. So this is how you can get the 3D Bitmoji on your Snapchat.